Scottsdale's unique blend of desert elegance, upscale communities, and fluctuating temperatures make door installation a home improvement project that demands precision, quality, and expertise. While DIY enthusiasts may be tempted to install or replace doors themselves, an increasing number of Scottsdale homeowners are choosing professional door installation, and for good reason. Below, we explore why hiring a pro for your door installation in Scottsdale is more than just a smart move. It's an investment in your home's long-term value, safety, and comfort. Precision installation for a desert climate. Scottsdale's climate brings blazing summer heat, seasonal monsoon storms, and occasional dust. Improperly installed doors can allow heat infiltration, dust intrusion, and even water leaks during rainstorms. Professional installers are trained to assess environmental needs, ensuring your door fits tightly within its frame and offers optimal insulation and weatherproofing. By choosing a certified door installer, you're also ensuring the use of the right materials and seals designed to endure the southwestern climate, reducing wear and tear over time. Improved energy efficiency. In Scottsdale, air conditioning is not optional, it's essential. But an ill-fitted door can drastically reduce your home's energy efficiency by allowing cool air to escape and hot air to seep in. Professional door installation helps seal the envelope of your home, keeping indoor temperatures consistent and reducing your HVAC system's workload. That means lower monthly energy bills and a more sustainable home, especially important in the long, hot Arizona summers. Enhanced security and safety. The front door is your home's first line of defense. A professional installer ensures your door is equipped with the right locks, frames, and reinforcements to deter break-ins and safeguard your family. Scottsdale homeowners frequently opt for steel core or reinforced fiberglass doors for added strength and longevity, and these doors must be installed correctly to function as intended. Professional installation also guarantees compliance with local building codes, including fire safety and emergency egress standards, especially important for newer neighborhoods or home additions. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Scottsdale's real estate market is competitive, and first impressions matter. A professionally installed door, whether it's a modern glass entry, a rustic southwestern design, or a custom wood piece, can significantly improve curb appeal and add resale value. Buyers in Scottsdale appreciate energy-efficient upgrades and quality finishes. Installing your new door professionally ensures it's not only functional but also perfectly aligned and visually appealing, contributing to a polished exterior that adds perceived value to your home. Time and hassle saving. Installing a door may seem simple, but it often involves trimming, leveling, adding insulation, adjusting hardware, and sealing gaps, all of which require skill and tools. For busy homeowners, hiring a professional means the job gets done quickly and correctly the first time. Rather than spending your weekend struggling with alignment or cutting away frame edges, you'll have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected by a labor warranty and the expertise of a seasoned installer. Access to custom options and expert advice. Many professional door installers in Scottsdale work closely with manufacturers or local showrooms. This provides homeowners access to a broader range of styles, finishes, and materials, and expert guidance to match your door with your home's design, WA requirements, and climate needs. A skilled installer will also advise you on maintenance practices and the lifespan of various door materials, helping you make an informed, lasting choice. Final thoughts. When it comes to something as important as your home's entryway, there's no substitute for professional craftsmanship. Scottsdale homeowners are prioritizing quality, efficiency, and peace of mind by choosing professional door installation over DIY. From improved security and energy savings to greater property value and long-term durability, hiring a pro ensures your door does more than just open and close. It enhances your entire living experience. If you're considering a door upgrade in Scottsdale, make the smart move. Partner with a trusted professional and enjoy the results for years to come.